Welcome to our video on the best inexpensive EDC knives. Everyday carry knives are essential tools for everything from opening packages to outdoor adventures, but you don't have to break the bank to carry a reliable blade. In this video, we've rounded up the top budget-friendly EDC knives that deliver great performance, solid build quality, and practical features, all at a price that makes sense. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gear enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we reveal the best value-packed knives perfect for your daily carry without emptying your wallet. Don't miss out, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Good Worker Legal Pocket Knife with 2.95-foot serrated blade. The Good Worker Legal Pocket Knife stands out in the budget EDC category, crafted for users needing a versatile, legally compliant tool. Its 2.95-inch serrated stainless steel blade excels at cutting tough materials like rope, fabric, or light branches, making it ideal for campers, hikers, or anyone tackling rugged tasks. The serrated edge provides a saw-like action, perfect for aggressive cutting where straight edges struggle. The blade's stainless steel composition offers decent corrosion resistance and is easy to sharpen, though it may not hold an edge as long as premium steels. The knife's aluminum handle is lightweight yet durable, with a textured surface for a secure grip in wet or sweaty conditions. Its ergonomic curve fits comfortably in various hand sizes, enhancing control during use. A reliable liner lock ensures the blade stays open, preventing accidental closure, a critical safety feature for EDC. The reversible pocket clip allows tip-up or tip-down carry, and the slim profile slips easily into pockets without adding bulk. Deployment is smooth thanks to an assisted opening mechanism, enabling one-handed operation for quick tasks. In practice, this knife shines for opening packages, cutting cordage, or preparing campsite meals. Its serrated blade makes quick work of fibrous materials, though it's less suited for precision tasks like peeling fruit or clean slicing. The compact size ensures discreet carry, making it a practical choice for urban or outdoor environments. While the serrated edge limits versatility for some tasks, it's a trade-off for users prioritizing durability and cutting power. The Good Worker knife delivers solid performance for its cost, offering a budget-friendly solution for those needing a tough, reliable EDC. Number 2. ALBATROSS EDC Cool Sharp Tactical Folding Pocket Knife. The ALBATROSS EDC Cool Sharp Tactical Folding Pocket Knife blends style and utility, appealing to those seeking an affordable tactical EDC. Its 2.5-inch stainless steel drop-point blade is sharp and versatile, handling tasks like slicing packaging, cutting cordage, or performing light outdoor chores. The blade's shape offers a balance of piercing and slicing capabilities, making it suitable for both everyday and tactical applications. While not premium steel, it resists corrosion well and sharpens easily with basic tools, ideal for users who need a low-maintenance blade. The handle, made of lightweight aluminum, features a textured grip for secure handling, even in challenging conditions like rain or sweat. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, with a slight contour that supports various grip styles. A liner lock provides reliable blade retention, ensuring safety during use. The knife's assisted opening mechanism allows for swift, one-handed deployment, a boon for quick response situations. A reversible pocket clip enhances carry options, and the slim profile ensures it doesn't weigh down pockets or bags. In use, the ALBATROSS excels at everyday tasks like opening boxes or cutting rope during camping. Its tactical aesthetic appeals to those who value style, while its performance suits practical needs. The blade's sharpness handles most EDC tasks well, though it may require frequent sharpening for heavy use. The compact size makes it discreet for urban carry, and its lightweight construction is ideal for all-day use. While not as durable as high-end models, it offers impressive performance for its price, making it a great entry-level tactical EDC. Number 3. Tac-Force Folding Pocket Knife. The Tac-Force Folding Pocket Knife is a budget-friendly EDC option known for its bold design and practical functionality. Its 3-inch stainless steel blade, often featuring a partially serrated edge, is designed for versatility, tackling tasks like cutting rope, slicing through packaging, or handling light outdoor work. The blade's clip-point shape offers excellent piercing capabilities, making it suitable for detailed tasks as well as general cutting. The stainless steel is corrosion-resistant and easy to sharpen, though it may not retain its edge as long as premium steels, requiring occasional maintenance. The handle, typically made of aluminum or composite materials, is textured for a firm grip, ensuring control in wet or slippery conditions. Its ergonomic shape accommodates various hand sizes, providing comfort during extended use. A liner lock secures the blade during operation, adding safety for daily tasks. The knife features a spring-assisted opening mechanism for fast, one-handed deployment, ideal for situations requiring quick access. A pocket clip allows for convenient carry, though it may not be reversible on all models, which could limit carry options for some users. In practical use, the Tac-Force knife is a reliable companion for opening packages, cutting cordage, or performing small campsite tasks. Its partially serrated blade excels at sawing through tough materials, while the straight edge handles cleaner cuts. The knife's bold, tactical look appeals to those who want a rugged aesthetic without sacrificing portability. While the materials are not top tier, they're sufficient for light to moderate use, making this knife a great choice for budget-conscious users. Its lightweight design ensures it carries easily, though heavy-duty tasks may push its limits. Number 4. CIVIVI Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a compact, high-value EDC option from a brand known for quality at affordable prices. Its 2.98-inch D2 steel blade, with a drop-point design, offers excellent slicing and piercing capabilities for tasks like opening boxes, cutting rope, or preparing food during outdoor activities. D2 steel, while not as premium as S30V, provides good edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it a step above typical budget steels. It sharpens easily, ensuring long-term usability for daily tasks. The handle, made of durable G10 composite, is textured for a secure, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions. Its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in smaller hands, making it ideal for users who prefer a compact EDC. A smooth liner lock ensures the blade stays securely open, while the flipper tab allows for quick, one-handed deployment, aided by a caged ball bearing system for fluid action. The deep carry pocket clip is reversible, offering discreet, versatile carry options that suit both left and right-handed users. In use, the Mini Praxis excels at precision tasks like slicing paper or peeling fruit, thanks to its sharp blade and compact size. It's equally capable in outdoor settings, handling light bushcraft or campsite prep with ease. The knife's lightweight construction and slim profile make it unobtrusive for all-day carry, ideal for urban or outdoor environments. While its small size may not suit users with larger hands or those needing a heavier-duty blade, it's a perfect balance of portability and performance for most EDC needs. Number 5. Gerber Gear EAB Slim Compact Utility Knife. The Gerber Gear EAB Exchange-A-Blade Slim Compact Utility Knife redefines EDC utility with its replaceable blade design. Its 2.4-inch stainless steel utility blade, compatible with standard razor blades, ensures users always have a sharp edge for tasks like cutting cardboard, opening packages, or performing light utility work. The blade's straight edge excels at clean, precise cuts, making it a favorite for office or workshop use. The ability to swap blades eliminates the need for sharpening, a unique advantage for low-maintenance EDC. The stainless steel body is slim and lightweight, with a topographical design that enhances grip without adding bulk. Its compact size fits comfortably in pockets, and the slider deployment mechanism allows for easy, one-handed blade extension. A secure locking system keeps the blade in place during use, ensuring safety. The knife includes a keychain attachment and a pocket clip, offering multiple carry options for convenience. Its minimalist design makes it ideal for users who prioritize portability and simplicity. In practice, the Gerber EAB shines for tasks requiring precision, such as cutting tape, trimming materials, or opening boxes. Its replaceable blade ensures consistent sharpness, making it a reliable choice for repetitive cutting tasks. While not suited for heavy-duty jobs like prying or chopping, it excels in light-duty applications, particularly in urban settings. The knife's durability and ease of blade replacement make it a practical, long-lasting EDC option for those who value convenience over traditional folding knives. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below and subscribe.